Now my marking gauge has a fixed marking pin and an adjustable marking pin. The adjustable marking pin, when I loosen this up, there's a piece of metal here that slides this attached to this pin, so I can move this pin back and forth. Hope you can see that. Just by moving this back and forth. And then the block, which would be on the edge of the wood that we're going to mark, I can adjust this any place I want to also. Just fasten it down, and you're good to go. So right here is a really wide lap joint or something I'm going to mark out. And then you just take your piece of wood, like this, and it marks it. This makes a very, very fine, definite line. It's actually more sharp than a pencil. Just scratch it along there. It makes a nice line. It's a good place to follow a saw or whatever else you want to use to cut something out. I think a lot of times we use this for like hand saws for dovetails, but it can also be used for all kinds of things, like I mentioned, a lap joint, or just anything you want to be real precise on, very accurate. Because, well, the pencil, you have the thickness of the lead that can throw you off a little bit. So on really tight tolerance pieces of wood, this works better. This works really, really good. And you can get these very inexpensively, or you can spend quite a little bit too if you want to, like most tools. But they work great. So I just want to throw that out there. So have a great day, everybody. See you later.